In this video, we will discuss the regulatory compliances as material management, example FDA regulations for healthcare materials. So FDA stands for Food and Drug Administration. So regulatory compliances is material management, especially in industry like healthcare, is critical to ensure the safety, quality, and efficacy of material used in producing or patient care. So firstly, we have to understand the FDA regulations overview. So Food and Drug Administration regulates the use of material in healthcare, including medical devices, pharmaceuticals, or biologics. So in FDA regulations, that material is classified into three categories. That one, class 1, class 2, and class 3. So class 1 is a low risk device, for example, tongue depressor, and class 2 is moderate risk device, for example, infusion pumps, and class 3 is high risk device, for example, pacemakers. Now, another thing is pre-market approval and pre-market notifications and good manufacturing practices. So good manufacturing practices regulations ensure that materials are consistently produced and controlling according to quality standards. And mostly GMP is implemented for class 1 materials especially. And now comes to pre-market approval. So class third material, medical devices and certain class 2 devices, which are moderate risk devices and high risk devices, uh, require FDA pre-market approval for ensuring the safety, and certain class 2 devices subjected to 510K clearance, which is pre-market notification, and must demonstrate substantial equivalence to a legally marketed predicted device. And now another thing is post-market surveillance. So according to FDA regulations, there are certain regulations which applied after the post-market surveillance, that for any product that can cause any problem to patient, or any kind of substance that can cause to patient like childs or senior citizens. So there are some post-market surveillance regulations by FDA, and after the labeling and advertising regulations, there are certain labels regulations uh, by FDA to label that particular product, and also advertising regulations, that how can we advertise our product, which should be regulated under the FDA regulations. And finally, international harmonization and global regulatory compliances. So every country have their own FDA regulations. So for ensuring the safety or security of patient, either a child or senior citizen or anyone, every industry, every healthcare industry in each country should comply with FDA regulations internationally, so that product can be extra safe